So PancakeSwap holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the PancakeSwap. My friends, at this time, the whole cryptocurrencies market is going crash. Every coin price falls down from the yesterday, especially the yesterday, my friends. You know what? Yesterday, the Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Shiba, VeChain, a lot of cryptocurrencies price falls down yesterday. But now at this time, if you look at the PancakeSwap, so already falls down PancakeSwap yesterday, but now today at this time the new update is going good. Is going good, my friends. You can see here at this time 16.97 USD dollar is the current price of the PancakeSwap at this time in the market. So if you decide to sell at this time, so you will not get any profit. You will not get any profit, and if you decide to hold, maybe, my friends, in the future there is a chance to the price pump and you will get a profit, my friends. At this time you can see here that the last 1 hour pricing is positive. 0.9% the price is going positive, but previous chances, as I told you, that yesterday price is fast down, so the yesterday pricing and the last 1 week pricing is also negative, my friends. Price fast down. Let's see, my friends, the price update. My friends, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please, my friends, click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. It is time yesterday, that is the 3 days price chart of the PancakeSwap. Yesterday the price of PancakeSwap falls down. 10th June is the falling day of the PancakeSwap, but you can see in the start of 11th June the price start pumping. Price start pumping, my friends. If they start pumping after a falls, if they start pumping after a fall, so that is confirmed. I'm sure that they will continue this jump for the next 2 days, maybe for the next week they continue this jump. That is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold and not to sell, my friends, because now the pumping time of PancakeSwap will start now. So wait for it, my friends. That is just the beginning. The huge pump of PancakeSwap are coming soon, my friends. And my prediction is 100% positive. I believe that they will continue this jump for 2 days, and maybe there is a chance to they continue this jump for 1 week, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about PancakeSwap? Please tell me in the comment box, and please I request everyone to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.